Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome to my channel. So today I am very excited to be testing out the new flat iron that I just got in. It is the GHD Platinum Plus. This bad boy right here is a pricey flat iron. It retails for $249. So obviously I wanted to do a review for you guys and let you know if it is worth that price tag, you know, because that's a lot of money. I also picked up the new T3 flat iron. That one retails for $149. So I'm going to be doing a review on that one next in another video and kind of comparing the two and just like seeing, is the GHD worth the extra money? Like, is my hair looking $100 better than it does with the T3, you know? So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, we need to test this out because we have a lot of money on the line right now. So a little bit about the GHD first. It is GHD's ultimate 1-inch smart styler, and it is supposed to have ultrazone predictive technology that predicts your hair's need to maintain the optimum styling temperature of 365 degrees. So if you didn't know, a GHD only has one heat setting, so you cannot adjust the heat setting on this tool or any of their tools for that matter. It is one setting and it's 365 degrees. That is what they say is the optimal temperature for styling your hair. It's supposed to give you 70% stronger hair and 2 times more color protection. It has platinum precision milled plates that have ultra gloss coating for instant frizz-free styling and 20% more shine. It also has a sleep mode that will turn off after 30 minutes of it being on. And it also has universal voltage, so it's great for travel. And it has a 8.8, I think. Yeah, 8.8 foot swivel cord. So I'm about to turn this on, but I want you to see, because I know with my other GHD tools, it takes little to no time at all to heat up. So we'll go ahead and turn it on now. All right, so very little time with that. I think what I want to do, because the main reason that I wanted a new flat iron is for the rounded edges and to be able to curl my hair using it and do waves and stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do first as a first test, and then on another day I will just flat iron it and straighten it, and so you can see that too. Okay, that was very easy. Now, like I said, I wanted to get this for the waves because my old flat iron I couldn't really do waves with it. Because of the way it was designed. It's super old, like 10 years old. So anyway, I want to say that like I am not very experienced curling my hair with a flat iron, so bear with me. But I mean, so far it's making it very easy with this tool. Also, I want to mention that because this tool is so pricey, I do absolutely recommend waiting for it to be on sale. Like if you do want to pick it up, I bought mine in the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which unfortunately is not happening anymore. But when I post this video, I will check the internet and see if there's any sales going on, and I'll include that in the description box below. Also, if you follow me over on Instagram, I will keep you updated on any sales that I see in the future. So go follow me over there. So this is what it's looking like now that I'm done. So this is the style that I was going for. I just wanted some waves, some like bend, some texture in my hair, not actual like defined curls like a curling wand would give you. So for the purposes like of what I was trying to achieve, I feel like it did. Like I said, I am not a pro at using a flat iron to curl my hair, so I'm sure that over time I can make this look better. But for the time being, for being like a newbie at this, I feel like it looks good. I just need to practice some more, but that obviously has nothing to do with the flat iron itself. That is user error. A flat iron was actually pretty easy to use for me trying to do this look. Glided through my hair really easily, and it's easy to maneuver. I will say that thing gets hot. Like, I know that they say that that's the optimal temperature for styling your hair, but it is way hotter than my old flat iron. So as soon as I go on my hair, like my hair is steaming. So I don't know. I wish that I could actually turn down the volume a little bit because I feel like my hair doesn't need that much heat. But obviously you cannot do that with the GHD. And then the shine. I don't really feel like my hair is shiny. I don't feel like it gave it any shine like it says it's going to do. But yeah. All right, so that is my first impression of this GHD Platinum Plus. I'll be using it next to straighten my hair and we will see how that goes. Okay, so we're done already. That took no time at all to straighten my hair. It really doesn't take a long time for me to straighten my hair to begin with. So just keep that in mind that, you know, I don't have like really curly, thick hair that is going to require a lot of time to straighten it. But still, it took me no time at all to straighten my hair. It glided right through without any problems, without any tugging, anything. It's so smooth. It didn't get caught in any of like the hardware or anything. I didn't have to go over any areas more than once. And yeah, I think that it did give me more shine, definitely, than what I saw when I curled my hair. But yeah, I'm definitely seeing some more shine. I have no product on my hair right now, but it looks really good. So far, I do really like this flat iron. I think it is well made. I think it's a good quality flat iron, but I still feel like I cannot form my final opinion on it until I test out the T3 flat iron. I just want to see how different my hair is going to look with that one, being that it is again $100 more. So I want to see if my hair looks that much different using the T3, so we can see if we can save us some money in this video. So yeah, that is going to do it for today's video, but stay tuned for my T3 video where I will show you how that works in comparison, and then I will give you my final thoughts on which one I think is worth your money or not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!